Yeah, welcome back, guys. So, you guys haven't seen this yet. So this is the replacement for the Corvette. So this is the 2021 392 Rubicon. This thing is so much fun. So this is my first Jeep, and you guys know me, I can't leave shit alone. So we got some parts on it already. An extra light bar laying around, so we threw that on real quick. And then I got a grill insert, and then my high lift jack mount, and then we got a bunch of other goodies on the way, and I can't not mess with stuff and put my touch on it. So I'll probably set you guys up, pull out the grill, get that started, get the high lift jack started, the mounts for that anyway, and I guess see where we end up after that. So I will catch you guys in a minute. All right, so we're gonna get started by pulling the grill off. So we got a bunch of these push pins. Focus. So what we'll do is we'll pop all of those out real quick. We'll get this pulled off, and then I'll show you guys when we're taking apart, pulling out the plastic here. And then we'll see what it looks like with the insert. So we got those out. It's these little guys right here. Set that down so I don't lose it. So I prefer to use one of these. People use all sorts of stuff. This is a trim removal tool. I bought a kit off Amazon, I think. I'll try and find the link for it. It's been a while, but these things are awesome with constantly taking stuff apart like I do. Easiest way not to screw anything up, because using a screwdriver against plastic, they don't mix. So try one of these, use the right tool, helps a ton. So now that we got those out, there's some pressure clips that are gonna be down in here all the way along. So we're gonna give the grill a little yank and get that out, and then we'll work on taking these apart. All right, so got the grill off. I'll show you guys this. So what I did is I grabbed right here on this side, and I kind of reached up towards the top here, just light little tug. Same thing with that side, just light little tug. And then, all right, so now that I got the grill flipped over, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and see these. We got these little tiny, not quite sure, Torx bits by the looks of it. Yeah. So we got tiny little Torxes. What we'll do is we'll pull all of these out. That'll bring out our honeycomb, and then we can pop that out. And I'm gonna pop that out, and then we can start. Oh, almost dropped the phone. I got to get better at that. But I'm gonna knock these out real. Wait a minute. That's a JL though. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, Wrangler and it'll come to me. Gladiator are the same body paneling. I'm a dumbass. If you can't tell, I'm new to Jeeps, so we'll figure it out though. But I'm gonna knock this out real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys. So we got these removed. These little Torx. I think they're a 15, if I remember correctly. I'll have to look in a second. But so those are out. So we have some movement. So there's these little guys right here that are what keeps the grill in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our plastic trim tool and pop those and use a teeny tiny bit of leverage. Just when you're doing this, be careful that you don't break anything. All right, don't over muscle it. Just be patient and do it the right way. Don't rush. I should be listening to my own words right now, but I'm trying to help you guys out too. Learn from my mistakes. So that's kind of the whole point we're doing this, right? If I make a mistake, at least you guys get to see it and not do what I did. So we'll pop these out, and then we'll come back. All right. One more thing that I need to show you guys. So these little guys right here. So if you can see, the grill overlaps. So this section, oh man, sorry about that camera. This section here, own piece. Middle part is its own piece. This side is its own piece. So we're gonna pop these little white clips out also. And then, I don't know how well you guys could see it, but I'm just taking pressure and I lift it up. This can bend, this has some flexibility, obviously, so does that clip. A little bit of pressure and it pops free. So now we're gonna take care of these little white clips and then proceed from there. All right, so that's all done, as you can see. So we pulled all of those, got that taken care of. Now to add the insert, and we'll take care of that. So we got all the pieces out. Here is our insert. So what we'll end up doing is flipping that upside down. And then this is V8 God, Amazon. But I'll give it to them. They do have the 50 stars. I counted them, they are 50, so that's cool. They are made in America, USA, and then this is steel. So that's actually really nice. So I'm gonna flip this over and then get this reinstalled. There's nothing else you gotta do besides spin this, the correct orientation and press fit the grill back onto there. So I'm gonna do that and we'll see how this turns out, I guess. I don't have anything I can really set you guys up on to show you, so we'll just skip to when I throw it back on. So I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up doing here real quick, because I didn't like the way that the press fit fitted and looked. It just didn't look right. So unlike every other video that I went and looked at to make sure, I'm gonna give you some tips that I thought would make this look better. First off being, we went ahead and I put these screws back in to hold this inner piece because it was kind of floppy. And then also there used to be these plastic risers here that those white clips went through. I went ahead and clipped those flush, so that way when we take this, oh, see, that fits so much better. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the Jeep and then see how this turns out, and I'll give you an update on how it looks. Oh yeah, that came out so good, dude. Let's see, how's it look from some distance? Oh yeah, all right, I'm exceptionally, yeah, my barn's a mess, I know, sorry guys. That came out awesome. So, there's another part to this, we're gonna install my high lift jack mount in the back, but I kinda wanted to give you guys an update because the video that went up today, yes, today, showed me doing my dual steering stabilizer and working on the front end of the Ford. Plans have changed, So everything's getting ripped out from underneath the Ford and the Dodge. So are going to get ripped out. We're going to go ahead and take those, get those powder coated, do a whole bunch of other stuff. Because it's show season 2022 coming up, and I signed with Scoop, with SMG. So I'm excited. This is going to be, I can't wait for show season, man. Been following Scoop forever. Great dude. Met him down in Daytona, had a chit chat with him. Awesome guy. Really, really cool dude to work with. So I'm excited for the future and kind of where everything's going to go from here, and we'll just keep grinding, and hopefully you guys come along for the ride, and I can hopefully teach you some, and you guys can teach me a little bit or whatever, and kind of make this a learning experience. So I'm excited. So I keep saying so. I got to get better at talking on camera, man. I can never collect my thoughts, and I always say so and Sorry, new to this.